Hi everyone, welcome to the new series of Born Easy product presentation. Today we are going to present the Quicksmile Kit. The Quicksmile Kit has 9 teeth of examples. It has 3 Schreinemakers trays and red wax. Also, it has a small example of zirconia teeth. These templates have 3 shapes of teeth. So you will have triangular, oval, and square. All these shapes have 3 arch sizes. Also, the Schreinemakers trays come in 3 sizes: large, medium, and small. But how do we use this? The first step is that your patient needs to choose the shape of the teeth. So after he elects the shape he likes, you need to find the right arch size. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to pick up your tray. You're going to need red wax. I already have one here that I preheated. Okay, so you're going to mold it against the tray. Okay, you're going to get it, really stick it to the tray. Okay, and then after you stick it to the tray, you're going to choose the template that you had, and you're going to start pressing down. I can even simulate gum with this red wax. You can see it in here. Look at this. You're going to adjust everything together real nice. Okay? And there you have it. So now here I have a model of the maxilla, and I also have the silicone. So what we're going to do is now place the silicone in the tray. Okay. And then I'm going to place it on the city of the maxilla. And we'll come back in a while.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. So now that the silicone is hard, we're going to try and adjust the midline. So you can push forward or back, side to side, okay, and rotation. After we position the midline, okay, after we see this, we are going to teeth exposure. So this should be around 2 millimeters of breast and lip. And finally, occlusion plane. After we do all of this, now we need to make a photograph for the patient to see, and we can expect the approval of the teeth chosen. Okay, so these templates, they have markers. Okay, so after we do all of this and the patient approves, we are ready to go to CBT scan. Okay, the patient goes in with this in the mouth, and then we can have all of the information digitally to start the planning or reverse planning. So forget about the analogical process. Making models, sending them to the lab, expecting the wax rolls, sending the wax rolls, expecting the teeth dry-ins, and do it all in just 1 hour.